Welcome to Field Promax, a work order management system to help you run your service business from the field or from the office. Whether you have 3 or 300 technicians, Field Promax is a one-stop shop to create estimates and work orders, dispatch and track technicians, and bill your customers in real time. Your first step is to click on the Sync with QuickBooks button location on the top right. This will sync your customer and products list. These are the 2 essential elements to start creating work orders. Let's now walk through a scenario of the life cycle of a simple work order. Work orders can be created in numerous places in the application, but the best option is to create it from the calendar. Double-click on the calendar to create a work order. Then start typing in the first few letters of a customer and select it from the green. Put in a work description and select the technician whom you want the work order dispatched to. The work order has numerous sections. In the Details section, you see the work description and resolution. The right section has numerous customizable lists and text boxes that you can set up according to your business needs. The Schedule section contains the time your technician worked. Schedules are the same as visits, and you can have multiple visits in the same work order. The Invoice section contains the information from the visits and any products or materials you used for the job. Your technician is notified by email and text messages when a work order has been assigned. Our easy-to-use mobile app requires minimal training for your technicians. Download the Field Promax mobile app and log in with your email and password we emailed you. From the home screen, select the work order and click on the right arrow button to view it. The menu is now displayed at the bottom of the screen. Go through each tab and fill in the time worked, the materials used, and all necessary information, and click on Work Complete. Back in the office, you will be notified when the work is complete. Open the work order, edit the required information. Click on the Actions button and select Send to QuickBooks. This closes the work order in Field Promax and generates an invoice in QuickBooks. Intuitive dashboards and reports help you gain insight into your day-to-day operations, ensuring high productivity and profitability. Our integrated time card module prevents payroll errors while maximizing your billable hours. We have only scratched the surface with this starter video. Check out the tutorial section to find out more. But that is not it. We love to provide you with unlimited free support so you can onboard your company stress-free. Set up a free question and answer session with us so you can better understand all the functionalities we provide. Happy working!